A farmer had 15 cows and all but 8 died. How many are left? Type your answer before I explain. Don't overthink it. Now, most people would rush to say 7 cows are left because 15 minus 8 cows will give 7 cows, right? But this is wrong. So if your answer is 7, that means you are wrong and you are among the people who fail this. So the question says all but 8 died. All of the cows died except 8. So if we have 15 cows and all of them died except 8, that means we have 8 cows left. We do not have 7 cows left. It means 7 cows died and we have 8 cows left because it says all but 8 died. All other cows died but 8 did not die. So let me know, do you think the answer is 7 or the answer is 8? Which one did you get? Let me know in the comments.